Okay, got to show you guys this. This is the scene last night in La Habra. This is an apartment complex on Las Lomas Drive. So this retaining wall collapsed right into the parking area. 2 cars were damaged. But the bigger concern at this point is that building on top of that hill, because so far just the carport and the parking area have been red tagged. Authorities, though, keeping a really close eye on that apartment building at the top of that hill. I'm sure people who live there are a bit nervous this morning.
Yeah, for sure. And have you seen this? Look at this. Caltrans sharing this video. Strong winds and blowing snow. It's like a blizzard. This is Route 2 in the Angeles National Forest at mile post 57.5. The road was already closed from Mount Wilson Red Box Road to Upper Big Tahunga Canyon Road. Caltrans warns to stay off the mountain roads.